Hello, everyone. My name is Stefan Danchuk, and I work in field services at Preservation, Connecticut. Today, we'll be exploring the Eli Whitney Museum and Workshop, historically the Whitney Arms Company. The Arms Company, also called the Armory, was founded by Eli Whitney in 1798 and then continued by his son, Eli Whitney Jr. Interestingly, this site has a long history of industrial use, starting with the New Haven colony in 1640, grinding flour on the site at a grist mill, and even possibly being used before that by indigenous Quinnipiac peoples for fishing. When Whitney took control of the site, the Hartford and New Haven Turnpike, now Whitney Ave, was just being built, and this was advantageous for the transportation of goods and people. In 1804, Whitney Sr. started the construction of the Armory's forge here on the east side of the river. Archaeological investigations by Yale in the 70s uncovered the site of the forge, and now you can see they erected a stone corner to mark the southwestern edge of this once great building. 4 coal sheds were built alongside the forge to fuel the fires of industry. However, only one remains today. When Whitney Jr. took over, he started making improvements to the site, starting in 1861 when he built a new, larger brick workshop where we're standing now. There is also a 3-story wooden building known as the Dam Building, built adjacent to the dam, though it's unclear what part of the manufacturing process this contributed to. He would also improve the dam in 1862, building Lake Whitney as both a supply of power for his factory, but also a source of water for the city of New Haven. Whitney's original factory is likely buried somewhere near this current dam. The later half of the 19th century would be the height of Whitney Armory's manufacturing, employing over 600 workers during the American Civil War. Extant buildings include the office building, built in 1888 during the Winchester period, a 1980s brick factory building used by the Eli Whitney Workshop and Museum, and a cinder block turbine house situated on the same site as Whitney's turbine was. There's so much more history around this site, but unfortunately that's all the time we have today. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, please consider following us and checking us out at preservationct.org.